you for enrolling in the Virtual Online Quality Auditing Master's course. This course is designed to equip you with the systematic step-by-step approach on how to conduct virtual online quality audit, leading to identification of gaps equivalent to on-site audit. You will be the exceptional employee of the company with such capability. I have created this course to help quality auditors to master the skills of virtual online auditing through my 20 years of experience as a quality auditor. At the end of this course, you will be able to understand the requirement and the preparation work for online auditing, how to conduct online auditing step by step, plan online audit effectively, and learn some of the online auditing techniques using technology, and also perform the actual online auditing. I have included more than 20 templates for the audit preparation and online audit plan, which you can use immediately to plan and perform the online audit for your suppliers in this course. I look forward to welcome you to this course. I am going to share with you the course outline, where we are going to start with introduction of the audits, the audit plan itself, the technology support that's needed for the online audit, the gathering of process data, the reviewing of the product data, performing the audit itself, reporting the audit, finally, the closing of the audit. I have included a bonus module where you will have the opportunity to practice your auditing skills by identifying potential audit findings from the video clips.